pa.
Last 500 then and sportsmanship medal from the rookie of the white team, Abdul!
Pala shooter yan kanina eh.
From the white team, Joy! Let's go. Medyo mula sa ilalim. Ayan, Joey.
Tangkad niya yun. Junil na?
Ito, Joey. Easy yan. Yun ang nag-create dyan. Papansin kayo ba? Sapatos, putik ito.
Para sa baguhan natin player from the white team,
White team pa rin.
to Henry!
Ang bata ko. Nagyan ko eh.
Ayan, okay. So, kompleto na po ang ating special team awards. Picture, special team. Special team. Okay. Wait lang, meron pa tayo isa. Defensive player medal for the night. Sobrang tibel depensa coming from the black team. With
Black na naman. Black kanina sa kabilang side.
Ron Rubilla!
Ilang batan. Tangkad niya po.
And that completes our special team awards. Ayan, picture, special team. Alright, so let us proceed with the mythical 5 of tonight's game. Okay, this goes with the medal, plus 500,
Wow!
plus soap, at isang kiss mula kay Kuya Philip.
Wow!
Oh, mas chooks na sabon.
May chooks na sabon.
Dapat pagkapin. Oh, chooks so.
Pampabot, pampabeauty. Ay, ito ko natin. Ito, mga naman di. Ay, nasa ito ang mga yung okay.
Plus chooks. Chooks na sabon.
Gaganda ka na niyan. Oop!
Endorse pa to ang product.
Congratulations.
I'm so proud.
Ayun pala yung ano nila. Oh.
Doon sa kanan. And the next mythical 5 with 500 pesos.
Oo, sabon. Ano yan? Yung charcoal?
With vitamins pala and kiss mula kay Kuya AJ.
Kuya AJ namin. Ay, siya pa rin!
Ayan, congratulations. Dalawa na po ang ating mythical players from the black team. Alright, congratulations.
Sa friend siguro sila nag-decide.
Third mythical player for tonight. Plus 500 and soap and kiss mula kay Kuya
Soap
Jules.
na naman. Ano yan?
From the white team.
Yes, dito na na siya. Sana siya.
Anong soap yan? Oh, si Russell.
Murag si Russell.
Oh, sabon.
Now picture.
Ano talaga yung ano ng sabon, oh.
Alright. And our fourth mythical player with vitamins para sa tuhod niya.
Vitamins yung vitamins yan.
Goes to LA from the white team.
Saan ang white?
Ayan, sa
Ayun na.
Alright, picture and our last mythical with 500 pesos our mythical fight for tonight's game. Coming from the black team, the big man himself, Kid! Kid, let's go!
Oh, maganda yun kasi isa-isa. Mayroon sila.
Pinapon.
Alright, that completes our mythical fight for tonight.
Kailangan ko lang may
Meron
ma-friends
po
ko para
natin
makaano.
ang last mythical player, then picture ng mythical 5. Alright, picture mythical 5. Alright, okay. Mythical 5 picture. Okay. Now,
Bibili ng Alfonso.
picture. Ako, wala akong manamit ha. Alright, ayan, mythical. Okay, picture. Yung sa mythical, tumatakot yun, oh, yun. Okay, let's award our MVP for tonight. We have a Champions MVP medal and a Season MVP medal for tonight with 500 pesos for each and a New Era Cup coming from our sponsors. Ayan.
Wow, ang sponsor pala.
Our championship champion MVP medal coming from the black team, Ray Taburada!
Si Ray pa rin ah.
Ayan.
Grabe si Ray oh.
New Era Cup. Alright.
Lagi mo natin kasama niya sa office. Wow! Wow, ay pamaganda si Ray.
Nice one. Okay, now for our season MVP with 500 pesos as well as a New Era Cup coming from our sponsors and ano, vitamins. So far, pampaputi ng kiligili pag nag-layup to our season MVP coming from the white team. Hey!
Sama sir. Ayan. Murag si Russell. Patig sa Nina. Ang buhok niya kasi makapal.
Nice one. And now let us award our team for the first runner-up. Siyempre, isa lang naman yan with 1,000 pesos cash. White team! White pa na dito. White boys, let's go.
Parang mukha mo yun, oh, yung makapal ang buhok.
Panalo ang white.
Oo, panalo ang white.
Ayan, congratulations.
Si Taburada, ang daming ano nakuha. Si Ray.
Nice one.
Puro products natin yung ano, yung ano nila, prices.
Alright, congratulations, white team. And now, for the champion team with 3,000 pesos.
Wow, may 3,000 pala.
With the sun coming from the other side of the bed.
Itim yung champion. Championship na pala nila to.
Anak ka daog ang white.
Yung kanina. So, championship nila talaga ito. May championship pala sila.
Go. Ayan, picture.
Daog ang black.
Picture.
Oo, silang champion.
Pero katong white, di ang harap ka kay MVP.
Oo.
Compress.
Dito naman sila dala.
1, 2. Ayan, sabay pa. 1, 2, 3. Alright, congratulations everyone.